Welcome to my YouTube channel, Fashionable Blog. In today's video, I will be share with you different types of hairstyling tools with names for girls. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Number 1. Hair dryer. Number 2. Hair straightener. Number 3. Hair curler. Number 4. Hair crimper. Number 5. Hair brush. Number 6. Electronic hair brush. Number 7. Hair ruler. Number 8. Hair wave maker. Number 9. Hair braiding tool. Number 10. Hair styling comb. Number 11. Hair donuts. Number 12. Hair cutting scissor. Number 13. Hair extension. Number 14. Hair stuffing tool. Number 15. Hair color brush. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.